easy to get caught up in the rush of day-to-day life. Getting people ready, driving and dropping off, making sure everyone is fed and everything is clean, keeping up with the laundry, shopping and appointments, getting work done, solving little problems before they become big ones, falling into bed stressed and exhausted, and then waking up again the next morning to do it all again. Hi, I'm Marissa from beautifulyorganized.com. We have to cram so much into the day that it almost feels too hard to add in the stuff that we actually enjoy. If you're going through a really busy stage right now and you would love to slow down and feel a little calmer, the easiest way to start is with tiny pockets of calm sprinkled throughout your day. Little moments that almost force you to slow down and breathe a little deeper. Things that are easy to do or things that make what you're already doing feel better. Here are my favorite ways to bring a little more calm back into my day. Slowly applying hand cream and massaging it in. Brewing a pot of tea and drinking it slowly. Sitting outside in the fresh air for 10 minutes. Listening to a guided meditation. It is instant calm and no effort. Putting my phone on silent and away in a drawer in another room for about an hour. Playing music that I enjoy while I cook or clean. Using lamps instead of lights in the evening, showering at night instead of rushing in the morning, telling my kids stories about when they were little, cuddling up with a person or a cat or a cushion or a blanket and chatting about my favorite part of the day. And my number one tip for adding more calm to your day, whatever you're doing, slow down. So what if you can't get everything done? You can ask for help. Do it tomorrow or ditch it completely if it's not actually that important. When your kids see you slow down and enjoy those little pockets of your day, you're showing them it's okay if they do that too. And when they get older and they have more on their plate as well, they will remember how you handled it. I hope you found these ideas useful. If you're ready for next steps in simplifying, you might like to check out my house and family binder. It's a simple set of prints that'll help you streamline how you run your household and free you up a little more. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!